Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check Honda Accord transmission fluid, full guide. Warm the engine to operating temperature, park on level ground, and set the parking brake. Keep the engine idling and locate the transmission dipstick per the owner manual. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert fully, then remove to read the level and inspect color. Top with manufacturer-recommended ATF only if the level is low. Avoid overfilling to prevent damage. Start by preparing your tools and safety gear in a well-ventilated area. Put on gloves and eye protection, and keep a clean rag and funnel handy. Use only the ATF specified for your Accord and keep a flashlight for visibility. Confirm the engine is warm and idling, then follow the dipstick procedure precisely to avoid misleading readings. If you encounter metal shavings or burnt smell, stop and consult a mechanic. If you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling great after a transmission service. It's an easy way to make your ride more pleasant while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Check the fluid color and smell right away when you pull the dipstick. Healthy transmission fluid is translucent red and has a neutral or slightly sweet scent. If the fluid is dark brown, black, or smells burnt, the transmission likely needs service. Small debris may indicate internal wear and requires inspection. Note the fluid level and condition, document what you find, and schedule professional help if anything looks unusual or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.